made equals.
Napravio sam.
Make, made mastery in English Bosnian. Welcome. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly shortcut to language wins. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, transcripts, and drills. Ready to create some language magic? Today's stars are
Napravio sam. Praviti. Napraviti. Ona je napravila. To je napravilo. Mi smo uradili. Napravili ste. Oni su napravili.
Buckle up, we'll make it fun, pun absolutely intended. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every key form with confidence, and maybe a victory snack. I made.
Napravio sam.
To make, ongoing.
Praviti.
To make, completed.
Napraviti.
She made.
Ona je napravila.
It made.
To je napravilo.
We did.
Mi smo uradili.
You made, plural.
Napravili ste.
They made.
Oni su napravili.
Quick forms in English. Map the German list to English first. Your brain loves a tidy toolbox. Ich macht. I made. Du machtest. You made, sing. Macht. He made. Sie macht. She made. Es macht. It made. Wir machten. We made, we did. IHR machtet. You made, plural. Sie machten. They made. Dialogue. DIY chaos. Listen to this goofy mini-scene and spot each target phrase. A. Who finished the shelf? B.
Napravio sam.
And I still have all my fingers. C. The cake? Relax.
Ona je napravila.
Je savršeno. She made it perfectly. A. One extra screw?
To je napravilo.
Razliku. It made the difference. Team. Report time.
Mi smo uradili.
Svi stoje na spisku. We did everything on the list. Coach to team. Bravo.
Napravili ste.
Plan idrazali gase. You made a plan and stuck to it. Manager. I didn't build the app.
Oni su napravili.
Prototype. They made the prototype. Drills. Say it and slam dunk. Repeat out loud. Keep it punchy and proud. Say, I made a plan. Answer.
Napravio sam plan.
Say, she made dinner. Answer.
Ona je napravila večeru.
Say, it made a difference. Answer.
To je napravilo razliku.
Say, we did our homework. Answer.
Mi smo uradili domaći zadatak.
Say, you, plural, made a great app. Answer.
Napravili ste odličnu aplikaciju.
Say, they made a cake. Answer.
Oni su napravili tortu.
Bonus. To make, ongoing, breakfast equals.
Praviti.
Doručak. To make, completed, coffee equals.
Napraviti.
Kafu. Culture tip, coffee and pita. Taste the language, Bosnian style. In Bosnia, family time often starts with coffee and food. You might.
Praviti.
Pitu, making pie, all afternoon, then proudly say you managed to.
Napraviti.
Kafu for everyone. Next time you host, drop a humble brag.
Ona je napravila.
P2, a ja sam samo nosio tangir. Quick quiz. Rapid fire check. Answer out loud, then hear the solution. How do you say, they made? Answer.
Oni su napravili.
Translate. We did it. Answer.
Mi smo uradili.
2. How to praise a team. You made a great plan. Answer.
Napravili ste.
Shajan plan. Which verb means to make ongoing? Answer.
Praviti.
Which verb means to make completed result? Answer.
Napraviti.
Challenge mode. Create your own lines, short, funny, memorable. 1. Say something you finished today using.
Napravio sam.
2. Brag about a teammate with.
Ona je napravila.
3. Celebrate a tiny fix.
To je napravilo.
Razliku. 4. Team victory line with.
Mi smo uradili.
5. Praise a group.
Napravili ste.
Plus what? 6. Report success about others.
Oni su napravili.
Plus what? 7. Add one sentence each with.
Praviti.
And.
Napraviti.
Goodbye and keep making. Great job today, your brain just built new connections. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms, tiny reps, big wins.
Napravio sam. Praviti. Napraviti. Ona je napravila. To je napravilo. Mi smo uradili. Napravili ste. Oni su napravili.
For more lessons, freebies, and fun, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time from Synapse Lingo.